TensorFlow is an open-source library and API designed for deep learning, written and maintained by Google. TensorFlow provides a Python API for building and executing data flow graphs. There is also a C++ API for executing graphs and adding new operation kernels. Other languages can invoke TensorFlow using its low-level C API. TensorFlow achieves its performance by parallelizing execution across multiple CPUs and GPUs. The kernel of each operation is implemented in C++, using efficient libraries such as eigen and cudnn for the best performance. The name TensorFlow derives from the operations that such neural networks perform on multidimensional data arrays, which are referred to as tensors.